Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect HeroFX to TradingView. First, create and verify your HeroFX trading account. Make sure you also have a TradingView account. Now, fund your HeroFX account or set up a demo account for testing. Then, confirm your login credentials, such as username, password, and server details. Next, open TradingView and go to the charting interface. After that, click on Trading Panel. At the bottom of the screen, scroll through the broker list and find HeroFX if supported. Select HeroFX and click Connect. Here, enter your HeroFX login details. Approve the connection so TradingView can access live data. Test by placing a small demo order directly from TradingView. Lastly, save the setup so you do not need to reconnect every session. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.